Nokia Lumia 800 Disassembly, screen replacement and repair. First, remove your SIM card by pushing the SIM door in the direction shown by the arrow. The SIM card holder will then pop up. Also lever the USB door up and it will come away from the phone. The USB door in the photo below is damaged, so will look slightly different in your phone. Nokia Lumia 800 Disassembly Stage 1. With the SIM card holder and USB door removed, your phone should look like below. Nokia Lumia 800 Disassembly Stage 2. You will have access to 2 screws circled below. Remove these screws. Nokia Lumia 800 Disassembly Stage 3. Now use your screwdriver to lever the screen at the points indicated by the arrows. This will raise the screen slightly, as you can see below. Nokia Lumia 800 Disassembly Stage 4. With the screen raised slightly, you will be able to unclip it from the main body of the phone by running a plastic tool, like the edge of an old credit card, along the length of each side of the phone. Then push the screen in the direction shown by the arrow. Nokia Lumia 800 Disassembly Stage 5. The screen should now be loose but still attached by 2 ribbons cables. Nokia Lumia 800 Disassembly Stage 6. Below is a close-up of the 2 ribbon cables mentioned in the last stage. Each ribbon connector, circled below, attaches like a plug and socket. Just lever each one away from the circuit board to unplug. Nokia Lumia 800 Disassembly Stage 7. With the screen removed, your phone should look like below. Now remove the 6 circled screws you can see circled below. Nokia Lumia 800 Disassembly Stage 8. Apply some heat to the ribbon cable, the proximity sensor cable, indicated by the arrow, with a hairdryer or a hot air gun. Then carefully peel the ribbon away from the back of the screen. Nokia Lumia 800 Disassembly Stage 9. The proximity sensor cable has now been removed. Nokia Lumia 800 Disassembly Stage 10. Next, lift the chassis away from the rest of the phone, as shown below. Nokia Lumia 800 Disassembly Stage 11. 3 ribbon cables, circled below in red, need to be disconnected. Again, each attaches like a plug and socket, so lever them up, away from the circuit board to unplug. The battery connector, circled in white, detaches in a similar way, but be very careful not to damage the wires. Nokia Lumia 800 Disassembly Stage 12. The battery will now be loose and can be lifted away from the phone, as shown below. Nokia Lumia 800 Disassembly Stage 13. You can now also lift the circuit board out. Nokia Lumia 800 Disassembly Stage 14. Circled below is the cover for the earpiece. Simply lift this away from the circuit board if you want to remove the earpiece. Nokia Lumia 800 Disassembly Stage 15. To remove the earpiece, lever it from the point indicated by the arrow. Nokia Lumia 800 Disassembly Stage 16. The earpiece has now been removed. Disassembly is now complete. Reverse the whole procedure for reassembly. If you've found this disassembly guide useful, please support formimobile.co.uk and order the tools and parts you need from our site. We ship worldwide.